Hello friends, welcome to Archel Traders. And friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding with the coffee. So friends, coffee recently looking global search. That means the prices of coffee trade uh, throughout globe increasing very higher due to multiple factors like environmental concerns on its production and supply chain shortage issues, and these are the few factors which are playing that coffee prices are increasing. So in India, which is like looks some favorable conditions on climate and favorable conditions on production side, like we didn't have like much fuel costs and much environmental conditions which are favoring for the production. So we have production and supply. One thing which lack is like geopolitical supply chain issue only, but as of now we can provide with lesser prices compared with globally, where we can keep margins. So that's how our Indian companies which produces coffee, they will get good margin benefit in coming quarters. So what are the companies related to this coffee related businesses are CCL, so Continental Coffee Business. So see here, this is 3% increase today even in a bad market. So CCL products. So see here, 5 days returns 11%, 1 month returns 13%. So recently returns which are very important. So see here. So recently I done a video on the CCL products also, which is like a vegetable meat. So if you think vegetable meat, so you can go with this company. You are going to see a very positive gain in coming days in vegetable meat also. So this company is going to uh, play an important role. And the next one is another stocks. If you didn't know, just go through like ticker phenology or screeners also, which is okay. Just type CCL products. It's a pure coffee related. So when you click this, you are going to see here PS. Just click on PS. You go through here. So Tata Coffee is one thing. Tata Consumer also having. So these stocks are going to benefit in coming days.